Good evening, teacher. My name is Diego Estrella. I am in first year class C. I am going to read and answer some questions. Example: What will you do it? You are late for work. I will go by taxi to my work. Activity number 1. What will you do if you win the lottery? I will buy a big house for my family in Quito next year. Number 2. If you have COVID-19, what will you? I would stay at home for 2 weeks and read every day. Number 3. What will you buy if you go to the yard store? I will buy a ring for my mother tomorrow. Number 5. If you eat fast food every day, what will happen? I will get sick and feel tired. Number 5. What will you do if it is your mother's birthday? I will celebrate with my family at home. Thank you, teacher. See you in the next class. Thanks, teacher. Goodbye.